Hi, I'm Melissa. So I just want to say that I'm so happy that I found Karen because it's made a massive difference to me and my business. I first found Karen, it was a referral from my best friend in the whole wide world, wouldn't stop talking about this website, Not Salmon. And I thought that's a strange name for a website. Really great. So I looked it up and just couldn't stop reading. Then a couple of weeks later came up again that actually Karen was given a mastermind course. And my friend said, quick, there's one place left. You've got to book it. And I did. And it's the best thing I ever did for my business. So one of the great things about the mastermind was that I got to have a one-on-one with Karen, one-to-one with Karen. And it was like, I don't remember how long it was, but within the first 5 to 10 minutes, she gave me small but powerful tips to change my website just immediately. And I was just like, oh my God, yes, yes. So she looked at my website through a different lens because I'd been stuck for so long, scratching my head. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? So it was just so refreshing and easy. It wasn't difficult at all. And it wasn't a lot of work. It was just a new perspective that was really needed. I feel completely supported in the mastermind with Karen and also the other ladies in the mastermind and my colleagues. It's just so good. And I learn from other people as well when other people have got challenges in their business, even though their business is completely different to mine. I'm constantly making notes and saying, that's a good idea. I can adapt that to my business. That's what can move my business forward. And the only way I can describe it is since I started in the mastermind, I'm in a complete and utter flow state. I've never been stuck again. And I don't feel overwhelmed either. Things are just coming to me one at a time, and then I act on it. I implement it. If I get stuck, I go back to Karen in the group and I'm able to ask it. So it's just amazing. It's just so refreshing to have all this help and all these tips to move forward with my business and my dream. I'm getting really emotional. I don't know why. It's true. Oh, I don't know if we'll be able to hang on a second. It's true. And I really wished that I had done the mastermind sooner because I think it was a mental barrier that I'd created for myself. And being in this mastermind has really pushed me forward. But like I said, it's not difficult. It's not hard. I don't feel out of my comfort zone at all. And Karen is just so approachable. She's famous in a way. She's helped all these famous people like Oprah and Goldie Hawn and but she can help me. I'm also in that group, and Karen is just so down to earth and just helps you with all the little stuff that makes a massive difference in your business and helping to achieve your dreams. Don't hesitate. Do it.